Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, most people solve this question like 31 minus 3 is equal to 28. Then again, 31 minus 3 is equal to also 28. Now 28 multiply 28 is equal to 784. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS P E M DAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, and second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so is equal to, now first priority is parenthesis, so first we have to solve this parenthesis. So is equal to 31 minus 3. Now solve this parenthesis. 31 minus 3 is equal to 28. So multiply 28. Okay. Now here is subtraction and here is multiplication. So first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. So is equal to 31. Now 3 multiply 28 is equal to 84. So minus 84. Okay. So now 31 minus 84 is equal to minus 53. So the correct answer is minus 53. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.